Why does your scanner show the P2264 engine code? What does it mean? P2264 is a diagnostic trouble code for water in fuel sensor circuit. This engine code indicates that the PCM has detected a problem within the electrical circuit of the water in fuel sensor. This sensor is designed to detect the presence of water in the fuel system. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Water in fuel sensor issues, fuel system problems, wiring and electrical issues, engine control unit issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Land Rover, Ford, Hyundai, Jeep, Mahindra, Vauxhall, Dodge, Ram, and Mercedes models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.